Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to show and hide battery percentage on status bar from Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here you have to move on setting. After that, just click on this notifications, then scroll on the down, and here is the advanced settings. So click on advanced setting, then here the show battery percentage is activate from before, and this status bar is here, it has been on. So if you want to hide, you just click on this icon, and here the battery percentage has been hide already. So if you want to show, just click on this icon. Here it has been 92% battery percentage has been seen. Okay, you can show and hide like this the battery percentage on status bar. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.